Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where square root of x plus 7 plus square root of x minus 2 is equal to 9, or squaring both sides we can write here square root of x plus 7 plus square root of x minus 2 whole square is equal to 9 square. Or now here we can use an algebraic formula, so we can write here square root of x plus 7 whole square plus square root of x minus 2 whole square plus 2 times square root of x plus 7 times square root of x minus 2 is equal to 9 square. Or now this square cancel out this square root, so here we will get x plus 7 plus, similarly here this cancel out this, so we will get x minus 2 plus 2 times, here we can write square root of x plus 7 times x minus 2 is equal to 9 square, that means 81. Or x plus x is twice x and 7 minus 2 is plus 5 plus 2 times square root of x times x is x square, x times negative 2 is negative twice x, 7 times x is 7x, 7 times negative 2 is negative 14 is equal to 81. Or now taking this 2x and this 5 to right side, we will get 2 times square root of x square minus 2x plus 7x is plus 5x minus 14 is equal to 81 minus twice x minus 5. Or 2 times the square root of x square plus 5x minus 14 is equal to 81 minus 5 is 76 minus twice x. Or 2 times the square root of x square plus 5x minus 14 is equal to, now taking count 2, here we will get 38 minus x. Now this 2 cancel out this 2. Again squaring both sides, we can write here square root of x square plus 5x minus 14 whole square is equal to 38 minus x whole square. Now this square cancel out this square root, so here we will get x square plus 5x minus 14 is equal to, here a minus b whole square, so we can write here 38 square minus 2 times 38 times x plus x square. Or x square plus 5x minus 14 is equal to 38 square, that means 38 times 38 is 1444 minus 2 times 38 is 76x plus x square. Now this x square cancel out this x square. Or now here we can write 5x plus 76x is equal to 1444 plus 14. Or 5x plus 76x is 81x is equal to 4 plus 4 is 8, 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 1. Now divided both sides by 81, we can write here 81x over 81 is equal to 1458 over 81. So here we will get the value of x is equal to 18, and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.